How to link bank account to your Prizepicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can link your bank account to your Prizepicks. So as you can see, I'm on this website where it says how to deposit on Prizepicks. There, if you scroll down, you can see the option instant bank transfer. So that is basically the steps on how you can link bank accounts. So it goes as following. So if you want to link your bank account to your Prizepicks, what you'll have to do is basically launch the Prizepicks app on your mobile device or the website, and once you've done that, simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, you'll have to first of all go to the deposit tab, which will be on the top right side of your screen. After that, simply input your deposit amount. Now after that, you'll have to click on instant bank transfer, which will take you to a new secure window. After that, it will provide you a list of different bank accounts. After that, it will provide you a list of various banks. You'll have to simply select your bank. After that, you'll have to simply log into your online banking account by entering your username and password. Now once you've done that, simply select the bank account you'd like to connect to your Prizepicks account, and once you are done verifying all the information, simply click on the option confirm deposit, and once you've done that, you'll have successfully linked your bank account to your Prizepicks. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.